doing a little video walkthrough of my design of Sherwood, just kind of highlighting some of the sustainable choices. This was made of scrap Luan. This is all boxwood that was just in stock, and that was all scrap fabric from the scene shop. This is all part of the lobby design. Basically any foliage that you see is from the theater itself or rented. That tree is something that's up in storage, so really just taking advantage of just the full inventory that's available here at Theater in the Round. We've got this tree here in the lobby. This is the great oak. This is the same rope that I've been using since Treasure Island. Bless the rope. The bistro bulbs are also something that's in stock. The leaves are a good example of designing with disposal in mind, because these leaves will all be able to be recycled at the end of the show because they're all made of brown paper. And then more foliage. We've got a variety of just like set decor things, like we've got that little owl there, the shield, again all from stock, just showcasing kind of all the resources that are available. Then we've got this climbable tree. We're going to be saving this, as my understanding. I think that's a great thing for the theater to be able to have, to make something climbable like this. As we come into the actual arena, this was salvaged from Eurydice. There's 2 panels from the Eurydice set, lots of foam, saved it from the trash, at least for the life cycle of another show. We've got this wall and that wall, which are from the Agatha Christie. We took there's a lot of unused foam from Eurydice that we then actually added to the walls for these salvaged walls, to just give them a little different design kind of look to them, but just again trying to keep as much stuff out of the landfill as we can and avoid using new for this show as much as we can. All the boxwood and quite a bit of like the rocks and the stumps are either from stock or borrowed from another theater. Again, all of this boxwood that you see is all from stock. We've got this style of modesty panel. This is all scrap 1x4. So again, avoiding cutting into new as much as possible. You can see there's some stained glass up there. The plexiglass that we used is scrap. And then the gel that I used to make the plexiglass, I tried to pull gel that was burned out and would have otherwise gone to the trash. This kind of green paneled is a stock piece at Theater in the Round. So quite a bit of the modesty panel is a lot of salvaged or stock material. We've got these leaf panels on the back wall. Those are rented. And again, more of the leaves just kind of around the arena. Again, the leaves in the ceiling are the brown paper, and renting, I think, is always a sustainable choice. You always have to take into account the carbon footprint. It was about, I think it's like a 2.5-mile drive from the rental place to Theater in the Round. So there is a carbon footprint, but hopefully a nominal carbon footprint. We always love a good wagon wheel chandelier whenever we can incorporate it. Also, these sconces on the wall are another thing that is pulled from stock. So really just trying to showcase, you know, how you can make choices that are within the building. Actually, this whole wall is all salvaged from Park Square as well. We've got, you know, again, just all of this greenery that's from stock as well.